Dan Ariely, the Duke professor and author of Predictably Irrational, puts anchoring bias. It's when you're told something unrelated in advance, or even something that you suspect doesn't matter or know doesn't matter, it will still influence your decision. This maps over into Glo-Bus. When a student looks at the industry average for something, they think that it matters. They get anchored to this industry average just because you think that the herd knows something that you don't. It's a very powerful influence. You can see it in the desire to be where the investor expectations are. You know that you must be different in order to win, but your reptilian brain is screaming at you that because everyone else is trying to achieve the investor expectations, there must be something to it. This is false. You cannot win by doing the wrong thing because everyone else is doing it. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Remember, 1. The investor expectation standards at the beginning of the game are pointless. Only the endgame score matters because that is what your professor will mark you in his or her gradebook as your grade. 2. If you invest $1 in EPS into R&D now, you will get more than $2 back. If your competitors are not doing this right now, then following them will result in you losing in the end. Every dollar of EPS that you have at the end of the game will increase your ending score. Watch this one next.